Okay, so you've got your kit in front of you. Let's go through it quickly and make sure you have all the parts that you need to complete it. Okay, so this is what the kit looks like, and let's go with opening it up and checking what's inside. Okay, first thing you should have in there is our PC board, single-sided, and has a bit of silk screen, and we can basically stick everything on there. Very important. In order to bring gloss down, I've made it single-sided, and we're going to just stick a copper piece of sticky stuff onto the back of that so that it becomes touch sensitive. You can also stick it in other configurations to make it easier for your project, however you're using it. Okay, there are 4 different resistors. They are all 0805, very tiny. 0805, the 8 is an 80th of an inch, and the 5 is a 50th of an inch. You will see if you look really closely, I'll put a zoom in on there, at these different resistors. They've got little numbers on them, and they work very similar to the way conventional resistors work with the colors. You should have one that says 1503 or 150K. That's 150 and 3 zeros. Then we got a 1001, which is, what is that? That's 1K, hey? 1001, 1K. We've got 561. So that's a 560 ohms. And we've got 10K, which is 1002. So those are all 1% resistors, except for the 561, and very good. Okay, then we've also got 2 capacitors. They're exactly the same. They are also 805 and no markings on them. Capacitors don't come with markings, so when you get them, the markings on the reel, these components usually come in a big reel. Since we've only got one type of capacitor on yet, 100 nanofarad, you don't have to worry about that. And we've got an LED. It's going on to the what's it? Silicon stuff. There's the LED. Also, this is a 1206, I believe. So 120th of an inch and a 60th of an inch, but slightly bigger than the other components. We've got a 5-volt regulator, 7805, which is, I think it's called a DPAC, DPAC 2, not sure. Then we've got a few other semiconductors. Very important is a little processor. It's inside the sticky tape. It's got 6 pins. It's an SOT23 package, and it's a 10F6, 10F something. It's on the circuit diagram. I'm sure you'll see it there. Then we've got an NPN transistor, which is basically used to drive whatever external circuitry you want, also in sticky tape. And we've got a dual diode, which is also on a cut reel. And if you've got all those components, then you've got everything you need to start building your kit.